Hello friends, welcome back. Want to monitor your CPU temperature, GPU usage, RAM, SSD health and fan speed all at one place? Here is the best free tool. It's called as HWiNFO and you can install it in a second using Winget. So let's start. So first of all search for CMD. Then open your command prompt in administrator mode. Once you open your command prompt in administrator mode, then you can see the interface like this. Then type a command winget search HWiNFO and press enter. And here you can see the result. Now check the second result and copy its ID. Once you copy its ID, then type another command winget install and press Ctrl V. So you need to type a simple command winget install and ID of the package. Then press enter. Once you press enter, here you can see the package is downloading and it will automatically install. And here you can see the software HWiNFO is successfully installed on our Windows system. Now from this drop down, select sensor only and click on start. Close this. And over here you can see all the information related to your virtual memory. Then here you can see the information related to your CPU. Here you can see the CPU temperature. If you can scroll down, here you can see the drive temperature. So in this way we can monitor your CPU temperature, GPU usage, RAM, SSD health, fan speed, all the things at one place. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.